In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a horizontal legend in Tableau using a separate sheet in a dashboard. This is a simple process and should only take about 5 minutes. To get started, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and search for Tableau. Once you've landed on the Tableau website, go ahead and log into your account. If you're new to Tableau, you'll need to sign up and create an account to access its features. After logging in, open a new worksheet in your Tableau workbook. This worksheet will serve as the basis for constructing your legend. With your worksheet ready, drag the dimension you'd like to use for your legend from the data pane to the columns shelf. Let's say you're working with sales type or category. Either one will work perfectly for our example. Placing this dimension on the column shelf ensures that your legend items will be displayed horizontally across the sheet, which is exactly what we want for our design. Next, take the same dimension and drag it to the color mark on the marks card. This step is crucial because it assigns a distinct color to each item in your legend, facilitating easy differentiation between legend items for those viewing the dashboard. Now, at any point, you may want to customize the appearance of your legend. You can easily do this by right-clicking on the sheet and selecting Format. This will open a suite of formatting options where you can adjust fonts, colors, and other visual settings to match the overall theme of your dashboard. Now that your legend is looking good, it's time to incorporate it into your dashboard. Navigate to the Dashboard section within Tableau and drag a horizontal layout container from the Objects section onto your dashboard. This container will act as the home for your legend, maintaining its horizontal orientation. With the container in place, drag your newly created legend sheet into it. This simple action ensures your legend is a fully integrated part of your dashboard layout. You might want to further refine the appearance of your legend by again selecting Format from the context menu. Don't hesitate to make additional adjustments to the fonts, colors, or other styling aspects to maintain consistency across your dashboard. Lastly, you have the flexibility to tweak the size and position of the legend sheet within its container. This optional step allows you to optimize the placement of your legend, ensuring it doesn't overshadow your main data visualizations. And there you have it. You've successfully created a horizontal legend in Tableau using a separate sheet in your dashboard. This method not only makes your dashboard more visually appealing, but also improves its functionality by offering a clear, organized legend for users to